यान फुडें गोंयांत उपचारा खातीर येवपी बिगर गोंयकारांक गोमेकोत फुकट उपचार मेळचो ना. गोंयकारांक खातीर गोमेकोत फुकट उपचार आसतलो, मात बिगर गोंयकारांक सरकारी हॉस्पिटलांनी शुल्क भरचे पडटले. परप्रांतीय लोकांक उपचारा खातीर सरकारी हॉस्पिटलांनी नेमके कितले पयशे वसूल करचे ह्या खातीर सरकारान कमिटी नेमल्या, अशी माहिती भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन दिल्या. RD खातीर पणजेच्यान कॅन्सल रॉड्रिगेज.
My objective, I am Health Minister of Goa. My responsibility is the people of every citizen of Goa. And whatever is happening in Goa Medical College, I have been doing an analysis and I have been doing a survey. I have been trying to collect information on every front. My job is to see that every Goan gets good health facilities. Unfortunately, today people from outside Goa are coming and using the facilities of Goa Medical College free of charge, while our Goans who need to be taken care of are ending up on the floor or ending up without a bed or ending up without a bed in the ICU. Waiting period is increasing of Goa Medical College because 30 to 35% to 40% of the patients are coming from outside the state of Goa. I am not saying that we are going to deny treatment to anybody. It's our duty, and we are duty bound to ensure that every citizen of India who comes to the Goa Medical College will be given treatment by the Goa Medical College and the health services. But there will be a nominal fee that the people coming from outside the state of Goa will have to pay. And that chart will be ready by the 25th of October. I have floated a committee. This committee's recommendations will be implemented by the government. I will ensure that this is strictly implemented. I am trying to implement it by the 15th November, but I want to implement it properly. And I am also going to see that from 1st of December, which is my deadline, which I have kept, but I will try to implement it like I said earlier. We will implement this law strictly. Suppose a CT scan costs 1,000 rupees. We will charge 750 rupees. But there has to be some 750 rupees to 1,000 rupees charge for that particular thing. This is an example. If a bed in the private sector is charged 900 rupees or 800 rupees, we will charge at least 100-150 rupees per bed. And if there is a poor person, we will keep that window open. If there is a poor person or is a laborer who may be a non-Goan, it doesn't matter. The medical superintendent and head of department will have the power to exempt such cases so that they are given treatment. We are not here to do injustice to the poor people, but then there are a lot of people coming from neighboring states, as a result of which the overload on Goa Medical College is increasing. And I am duty bound as the Health Minister of Goa to protect the interest on every Goan, and I am going to do the same. Dates have to be dictated and come forward by the committee that I have formed. A 9-member committee has been formed.
Who is the chairman? You are the
Additional Secretary Health is the chairman. No domicile. Anybody who's outside the state of Goa, who's not living in Goa, will have to pay.
How would the procedure look like? Because
if any Goan is there, he'll have an Aadhaar card or a driving license. Or everybody has to carry some identification with them when they go for treatment to the Goa Medical College. Otherwise, we will not be able to give free treatment. The process is on. We will be floating tenders within a month's period. We are using a public sector undertaking from Government of India to go ahead with this hospital management information system, and we will ensure that everything will be made online, digital, and this is how we want to move forward. Regional Cancer Center first installment will be coming in the month of October. Super specialty block, with the guidance of the Chief Minister, we have been able, and directions, we have been able to, with his help, and we have been able to clear the litigations by November. I am targeting November end because the tender will be floated by the Government of India. This project was pending for 2.5 years, and we will take this forward. This is a premium project and important project for the JMC. And by November, we will invite the Union Minister of Health along with our Chief Minister